won't make you by team.
I don't confuse you. Which country?
She's speaking Igbo. No. Oh no, the camera is so sweet.
Try to
This is everything that you're saying. Is it my fault that I went to go and match that? This, don't show me for that. Don't try me. Ima, don't try me. Me too, I want to do content in future, but you don't go show my before.
Yeah?
You're not ready. I'm not ready. My before is always fine. So happy.
Hey! Why now? 3, go, Zina.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord, may the good Lord, may the good Lord bless you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
I am +1 today. I am +1 today. I am +1 today. I am +1 today.
Many more years.
To you. Many more years to you. Many more years, many more years, many more years to you. May the good Lord bless 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 you.
Hooray!
Thank you, Tobena. Give me a birthday card. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Hi guys, so today is the 27th of December. Today is the last Saturday of the year. Yeah, it's been an eventful year for me. I'm so excited. I actually said I was going to vlog this wedding I went for, but for some reasons I forgot. So, but then I'll be doing some unboxing, which I'll be showing you guys. I actually forgot. I just came back from the wedding. It's a season of love, as you know. So, but then I will be showing you what I'm unboxing. I just remembered that I was supposed to vlog for this wedding. I don't know how I forgot. Maybe because I rushed out. I was actually late for the wedding. So sorry. Forgive me. But then I promise not to forget again.